The Union Sportsman's Alliance is committed to uniting the union community through conservation. We are a powerful tool for labor. We unite unions in a way that no other organization can. Volunteer projects like the Union Sportsman's Alliance puts on all over the nation really connects our union members through conservation to their local communities.
We're in Wilmore Park in the beautiful inner city of St. Louis.
It's a very historic park. It means a lot to the city of St. Louis and South St. Louis City.
And this is one of the largest and oldest urban fishing communities in the country.
And right now we have the Union Sportsman Alliance here volunteering their time to rebuild the deck for beautification of the park.
Our parks in the city of St. Louis, our infrastructure, it's now getting very old.
Our docks have become in disrepair over the years with the inability of the city to fix those.
We're going to remove the handrails and the decking so they can replace it and put new deck boards on this so it's new for the community and so people can fish.
The number one thing we want folks to remember about the Union Sportsman Alliance and the difference that they're making around the country is that they are giving individuals an opportunity to have a quality of life.
As far as the Sportsman Alliance goes, it's a solid group of guys or gals. They get together, they hunt, they fish, they have shoot meets, and a lot of volunteer work such as this right here.
The American worker still has a guardian in the United States, and it's us. So thank you for all that you do.
To my brothers and sisters who have a love and a passion for outdoors, fishing, wildlife, hunting, I strongly encourage you to join the USA, the Union Sportsman Alliance. They're truly making a difference around the nation, and it's a great way to get involved and take care of our world.
Catching a fish actually feels good.
It felt kind of cool because I never caught one before.